In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Slack, allowing you to set up notifications and keep everything in sync seamlessly. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, making sure you can follow along without any hitches. To get started, you'll want to head over to Zapier.com. Zapier is a fantastic tool that connects your favorite apps and automates workflows, saving you time and energy. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a blueprint for a task you want to automate between two or more apps, which in this case are Notion and Slack. Simply look for the option to create a Zap and click on it to begin setting things up. Next up, you'll need to define the trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation process. Since we're focusing on Notion, go ahead and search for Notion in the Trigger App section and select it. Here, you have a choice. Decide what action within Notion will serve as the trigger for your Zap. You might choose New Database Item or Updated Database Item, depending on what best suits your needs. After selecting your trigger event, connect your Notion account to Zapier. This will allow Zapier to access the information necessary to keep everything running smoothly. Remember, you'll also need to specify the page or database you wish to monitor for changes or new entries. Moving on, it's time to set Slack as the action app. This means that once the trigger event in Notion takes place, Slack will react according to your preferences. Similar to before, search for and select Slack from the list of available apps. Choose an action for Slack to perform, such as send channel message. You'll then need to connect your Slack workspace to Zapier and pick the specific channel where you'd like these notifications to appear. Whether it's a team channel or a private group, make sure you select the right spot so your notifications are visible to the appropriate folks. Let's make your message a bit more interesting by customizing it with dynamic fields from Notion. For instance, including the page title, a link back to Notion, or any status updates keeps your team informed and provides context right in Slack. This is where you bring your automation to life, personalizing the notifications to relay the exact information you deem most crucial. Before we wrap up, it's essential to test your Zap to ensure everything's functioning as intended. Zapier allows you to run a test of this workflow, verifying that a new or updated item in Notion indeed triggers the Slack notification. This step is crucial for catching any potential issues early, saving you from headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've connected Notion to Slack with Zapier, creating a streamlined flow of information that'll keep your team in the loop effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope your newfound automation helps boost your productivity.